Today we're going to take a close look at the Pin Pause feature in Huntron Workstation. The Pin Pause feature is very similar to the Component Pause feature here in Workstation. You notice there's a pause checkbox right here for the component, and when you check that, during a sequence scan, the scan will stop on that particular component, display some instructions, and then when you close the instruction box, it will continue the sequence scan. Well, we have a similar feature at the pin level. So to enable that, just select the component you want to edit, and then go to the Pins tab. And let's say, for example, we want to have our scan on component U1 stop on pin 7. So I'll just go ahead and enable the pause feature for pin 7. We also wanted to have it display some specific instructions, so I'll just go ahead and edit the instructions for pin 7. Maybe we need to enable a switch on the circuit card when we have it pause. So let's just put those instructions in. How about enable switch 2? All right, we have those instructions in there now. We'll go ahead and click OK to save that. And now we'll just go ahead and run the scan on component U1. And we'll just type in a serial number here, or 112, and then click the Start button. Now you'll get the normal connect to component instructions here since we're sending just one component. And click OK. And now notice when it gets to pin 7, what will display the instructions window that we typed in earlier. So here are the pin instructions. It says enable switch number 2. So I'll go ahead and do that on my circuit card. And now go ahead and click OK. And the scan continues with the remaining pins. So it's a very simple feature to use. It could be useful for doing something like throwing a switch, as you saw, or maybe you need to move a component common lead on the circuit card from one place to another. Any number of reasons why you might need to have the scan pause on a particular pin.
If you have any questions, please contact Huntron Tech Support, and feel free to view the other videos on the Huntron YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.